Happy day, everyone. I'm over at another beautiful job, by the way. This is called a cocktail martini pool. I love it because we took a very small space and got every inch out of it that we could. Lots of fun stuff around here. We actually took all of these pavers up. They were on way too steep of a pitch. The paver company that did it first didn't do it correct. They had it sloped way too much. They didn't want to come back out. So we incorporated in with the pool, take all the pavers up, level them properly, and put the enclosure back in. You see beautiful Sierra, Lyons Bridge pavers everywhere. We got tumble caps. Nice little drain, catch that water to properly expel it out the back. Beautiful turf. I like this. This really opens it up. You have your automatic retractable screens. Pretty cool stuff, huh? I think for entertaining, I mean in a yard, this is a beautiful yard, beautiful lake view. I mean, to get every inch out of this property was a great design. We put some step lighting in. You can see the 6x9 lights. They illuminate at night. They're on a low voltage transformer. So really good stuff. Love the mini pebble finish. We got a little spillover back here. Create a little bit of sound. I like these. We're going to be visiting a couple more jobs. You can add 2, you can have 3, multiple sizes. Just as perfect for this area, you know, perfect for seat height. So pull up a chair and maybe have a sandwich, like I like to have, and just relax. This is a very soothing, relaxing little backyard here. Awesome customers, definitely a 5-star review, and love to work with them. They were very, very fun, very happy the whole time, and just great little family. So, bon appetit, have a little look around. And we're going to be doing a lot more job site visits showing you what we do. We're going to go right down the street to another one and go check it out. Very similar. Small backyard, and it's our second job that we've done for them. So excited to share all these beautiful jobs with y'all, and so you can make the right educated decision. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.